Today we are talking physics and fighting. I want to teach you guys how to generate more force just by simply using your own body motion. Now, whenever it comes to the fight stance, by us simply moving forward, that's called linear motion. Now, whenever we got circular motion, that's rotational motion. So, whenever it comes to the human body generates centripetal force. And what that means is we have a center, our inside pulling force. So take this as an example. So we have the acceleration. Imagine this is a can, and we're swinging the can as hard as we can within a circular motion. Well, that circular motion causes the acceleration. The acceleration causes the centripetal force, which is inside pulling force. With these two forces together, it causes velocity, and it's a constant changing velocity. Now, whenever it comes to the human body, trajectory matters. And the reason why, if I was to throw the punch right here, it would be going straight off. So we have to release it at the exact moment and the exact time to generate the most force as possible to hit our target, because it's an absolute fact that everybody's body is based off 90 degrees. So you always want to use 90 degrees to find your center point. Then, moving on to this outside guy, this is centrifugal force. Centrifugal is the outside force. Now, this is a can. Now imagine the can's open and there's a little bug inside this can. With me spinning the can around, it's actually going to be pressuring the bug against the can. So we have the outside force and then the inside holding force. So whenever it comes to the human body, just imagine this right here is exactly my arms at 90 degrees. So if I'm throwing that punch right here, it is going straight. It is dire that I know how to use my linear motion. So my linear motion, and to combine my circular motion, because it's going to generate that centripetal force, that inside pulling force. Whenever it comes to fighting, people are trying to throw these straight punches. Well, when it comes to nature never uses straight lines. And same with the human body. Since the shoulders and even hips operate off a crottate motion, you're actually going to be faster with a little bit of curve, because you're utilizing that centripetal force. So instead of just relying on the pressing of the muscle, you're now relying on the torque of the muscle. So look at this is me pushing straight. I'm right here, straight. I'm right here, straight. I'm just using that force. But when I add the rotation, boom, right there. Sorry, that first one was horrible. So it comes back. I'm adding in the chest. I am opening up the motion. I am sneaking in my shot. Right here. Bah! Where it don't matter if it's low. Boom. Don't matter if it's overhand high. It don't matter if it's a straight. You see right here? Boom. Versus just straight. You want to use that outside pulling force. So one more time. The inside pulling force, this is acceleration. The acceleration inside causes the centripetal force. That's an inside pulling force causing the velocity. And whenever we're causing the velocity, remember there's going to be a trajectory. Wherever the trajectory is at, it absolutely completely matters. So whenever it comes to fighting the physics, you always want to fight off your center point. Know where 90 degrees is, and that's your target, and you want to always aim for your center.